Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate the power saving mode in the AtlasNavi application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will find the settings. Press on it. After doing so, you will find here as the second option the settings in this page. Press on that as well. And if you scroll down here, you can see in the general settings category the power saving mode. You can just press on it and you can see that by default it is set to never. You can also just activate to always or when battery is low. So you just click on it and you can see now that it is set to always in this case. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.